In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass everything from one browser to Opera GX. If you're switching to Opera GX and want your familiar sites and history to come with you, this quick walkthrough will make the move smooth and stress-free. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. At the very top left corner, you'll see the Opera logo. Click that to open the main menu. From here, glide your mouse over the bookmarks section to expand it. In that submenu, choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens a small window where you'll manage what to bring over. At the top of that window, pick the browser you're moving from using the dropdown. Select the one you used previously, whether that's a Chromium-based browser, a mainstream option, or whichever you've been using day to day. For the cleanest transfer, it helps to close the other browser first so every file is unlocked and ready to import. If you use multiple profiles in your old browser, make sure the one you want is set as the default there before you start. Next, choose the items to import. Check browsing history to carry over your recently visited sites, and favorites or bookmarks to bring your saved pages and folders. These are the essentials most people rely on. When you're happy with your selections, click Import and let Opera GX do the rest. The process usually takes just a moment. When it's finished, your bookmarks will appear in Opera GX, often on the bookmarks bar or inside an imported bookmarks folder, depending on your setup. Your browsing history will now be searchable and visible in Opera GX's history, so suggestions and auto-completion start feeling familiar right away. If you don't immediately see the bookmarks bar, you can enable it in the browser's appearance settings later. If something looks missing, simply run the import again. Double-check the source browser in the dropdown and confirm the right items are selected. Keep in mind that some things, like extensions or certain site data, don't transfer through this tool and can be added separately afterward. And that's it, you've successfully brought your essentials into Opera GX. Enjoy the new browser with all your go-to sites right where you need them.